We're Packer Fastener. We are an industrial supply company that focuses on selling nuts and bolts. We also have manufacturing and a freight business, and also just got into e-commerce.
Data is super important for business. We're constantly looking at data, and it's not just siloed in one department, it's holistic. Data moves from one department to another.
Before implementing NetSuite, we took data from a lot of different sources. We had an on-prem ERP solution for our fastener business. We had QuickBooks for most of the other businesses. We had an external payroll system.
As our business grew, it got more complex, and we just kept adding systems to bolt on and bolt on. But the thing is, with our old system, it wasn't connected. They were all different systems. So people were in different systems constantly, and that just was less efficient for people to do their day-to-day tasks.
Trying to get data from all of those into one source took a lot of exports to Excel, a lot of massaging the data to create this holistic view of the enterprise. We chose to initially implement NetSuite OneWorld because we thought the capabilities of rolling up our financials to one parent organization was incredibly helpful. OneWorld allows us to bring all the different subsidiaries together to get one holistic view of the enterprise. While still being able to get the holistic view, it's really important for us to also look at the financials from each of the individual subsidiaries as well. Our financial and operational processes have improved significantly. What used to be about a 20-day close around the 20th of the month has now moved down to a 5-workday close.
We want one holistic view of all data. So that was a big driver for us to get NetSuite Analytics Warehouse. We want to be able to get one spot for all our reporting. Machine learning and NetSuite Analytics Warehouse is having a big impact on our company. We have a couple different departments, like our purchasing department is able to see item demand better and actually predict into the future what's going to happen so they can take valuable actions today rather than a month from now. We're using NetSuite to automate the everyday mundane tasks that people have to do their job. This makes them more efficient so they can spend more time on value-added services to the customer.
If I was to talk to another leader that was considering NetSuite, I would say, why haven't you done it yet?